Hello there and welcome to my channel. This is Carly's Crafts and Interests and my name is Carly. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make these glass mosaic coasters here. They're fun and easy to do. Now for this you will need a coaster, of course. You can buy different kits and whichever one you like, and they come in different shapes: circles, squares, sometimes heart shapes. And you also want to, put some of this. My kit came with this kind of glue. I am wondering if this craft glue might do the same thing, and it might. And what you do is you put the glue on, and then I have these tiles here, and I got them in different colors. Mainly, I got blues and browns. Got a couple of colors, and you just open up your little packets here. Dump some of these out like this. They look like this. Little squares. Let's see. And I just decided, what would I like it to look like. I can start to place these on my little coaster. Like that. See, I got 3 on here. But of course I'm not going to stop at 3. And I think I want them to go towards the edge. So I'm going to push them to the edge. Just because I think that would look nicer. Because I don't want to do just one color here. So this would be the first that I'm doing. And I just design it how I would like it to go. Very easy. This is a very easy part. Might give a little bit more space. You can have a lot of flexibility in your design here. Just try to get it to look like it goes all together. Oops, that's the wrong way. Flip it around. Be careful, because if you got it the wrong way, that's not the right side of the tile. Okay. Here's my design so far. It's a nice little ring of blue. Now I wanted a different color of some kind, and I've got other sets in here. I've got these stars, and I've got these bigger shapes that came in here. Maybe I want to try some of those out. Trying to open up the bag here. Dump a little bit of it out because it's just easier to do, just to see what you got all at once. What do I have? I have got some mainly blues. Maybe I'll stick with blue, and I will just start to create an inner shape. This. Let's see, that one's at 1, 2. You if you need more glue, you simply just go ahead and put a little bit more in there so it will all stay down. So we go in there, and do I have, interesting. Those are the maximum ones I've got of that. Those are different. So I'll do is I will adjust the shape of what I'm doing to a little, not quite a circle because it doesn't quite make one. Okay, so far I got to here. Pretty similar, yeah. I have to set, if you want to say, and maybe I want to, it's hard to say what I want to put in the middle. Maybe these yellow ones. Alright, so it's almost like a flower shape, but not, yeah, I guess you could say, so I have it like this. And, I can cover the whole thing if I would like to. I don't, I think I might want to fill in the gaps here with a little something that came in this bigger set here, and just fill it in just to use things. You don't want huge gaps when you put in the mixture for your ceramic mixture here. Move this one back, this one back. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now to the next part. This is what came. In the kit. Very easy to use. You just need a little bit of it. Do not need the whole bag. Don't use it all at once at least. And then you just add a little bit of water. Like that. And you can use a little paintbrush and mix it up. It's going to look very, it's going to look like milk. Of course, it isn't milk, but this is what it, see, it's very milky. And you simply pour it gently. Just move it over here. So you can see. So it goes in all the crevices. Just enough. A little bit. And then if there was a little bit extra, and there usually is, pour back because you don't need extra. And I'm going to put a little bit there because that one got too poured back. Okay. Now, let me just see if I can show you here. Let's see, can you see what I'm seeing here? Right here. Oh, it's out of focus. Sorry about that. I'll put you back where you were so you can see. Here we have it's all ready to dry. Now, all you gotta do is wait for it to dry. It's as simple as that. You might want to wipe off the tiles a little bit because they can get any of the cement, I think, if we were using here. And you just let it dry. There isn't any, you don't put it under anything or whatever. You just let it, it doesn't take very long. And when you're done, you'll have a usable coaster here. This is the first one I did. And so, not too bad job. And that is our craft today. It's fun and easy, and you can get these crafts, and they have different shapes to use. Some of them are plastic, and some of them are cut ceramic little tiles and little square forms or triangle forms. It just depends on what kit you have. And it's fun, it's easy, and I enjoy it. I enjoyed making the first one. This one was fun too. I'm just waiting for it to finish. You don't have to wait for that with me. But if you enjoy this craft, I hope you come back for more. I do this, I do book reviews. If you have subscribed, I'm glad that you have. I'm glad to have you with me in this little channel of mine. And if you haven't, please do. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And stay tuned for more crafts and interests of mine that I do. But for now, have a great day and bye for now.